Apply the Pesti Smart Pest Plan by preparing a safe workspace, mixing the concentrate in the provided application bag, and creating a continuous barrier around your foundation and entry points. Start by reading the product label and the plan schedule so you know the recommended timing and dilution ratios for each season. Put on gloves and long sleeves, and keep children and pets away from the treated area until surfaces are dry. Pour the measured pesticide concentrate into the application bag, add the exact amount of water specified, seal the bag, and agitate gently to ensure a uniform mix. Use the rechargeable sprayer to apply a low, even mist about 6 to 8 inches from surfaces to form a continuous barrier along the foundation, around doors and windows, and near utility penetrations. Focus on cracks, weep holes, and the underside of siding where insects travel, and retreat corners and garage perimeters more heavily because these are common travel lanes. Record the date, weather conditions, and treated zones so you can follow the seasonally optimized schedule without overlap or missed intervals. People often underdose or over-dilute the concentrate because they skip the label measurements, so always use the exact volumes called out on the bag and label to maintain efficacy and safety. Another common mistake is spraying directly on bedding or food prep surfaces. Keep treatments confined to exterior perimeters and voids, and wipe any accidental residues with soap and water. A third issue is inconsistent scheduling, especially during seasonal peaks, so set reminders and stick to the plan and increase frequency when activity rises. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors who can assist with the Pesti Smart Pest Plan or perform perimeter treatments when homeowners prefer professional help. Our site also helps contractors find projects and includes a community discussion area where we and other members share tips, schedules, and real-world experiences about home pest control.